Hey friends, welcome to Chubby Tales. Remember Amitabh in Namak Halal, where he says, "You see, sir, I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English because English is a very funny language." और धर्मेंद्र's dialogue in शोले, "देख लेना गाँव वालों, when I dared, police coming, बुढ़िया going to jail." बुढ़िया चक्की pissing and pissing and pissing and pissing. इंडिया में we have various accents. Obviously, क्योंकि कितने सारे states and dialects. I'm from Maharashtra and a typical Bombaya. So when I speak, I get a Marathi accent. Like, give me a pen na instead of give me a pen. Or I have a written test tomorrow. Or, अरे यार, there is so much smell because there is space control in my house. I remember an incident when my granny went to America to stay with her brother for a few days. And she got this chaska of speaking in English. She would translate every word in Marathi in English. In Marathi, when we lay plates on the dining table, we say, "Pana ghe." Marathi mein pana means pages in English. So, my granny in her Marathi English called out to her sister-in-law, "Suma, take pages, I'm so hungry." When she came back to Mumbai, she would talk to us only in English, the Marathi English. One day, when I was chilling at home and she was convincing me to meet her, she gave up while yelling, "Sit home, lay eggs." इसका मराठी या हिंदी में ट्रांसलेशन करके देखिए. Another one of my granny tales. She had a habit of saying "आई शपथ," which in Hindi means माँ कसम. So my granny in English chaska would keep saying "mother promise" for everything. जो भी हो, मराठी, हिंदी, English. Why to drag your mother into everything you do? Why just grannies? Even we use such terms. जैसे कि cousin sister and cousin brother. तो according to Oxford Dictionary, a cousin is a child of one's aunt or uncle. Grammar Nazis would insist that the word cousin does not need to be followed with words like sister or brother. Now you'll ask, अरे लेकिन how do we know that this cousin is a male or a female? अबे तो फिर नाम किसके लिए होते हैं? पता चलता है ना. एक बार in an interview, the interviewer began his interview by asking me, "Good morning, madam. What is your good name?" Which is a literal translation of आपका शुभ नाम. अरे बाबा, every parent और grandparent ने उनके बच्चे का नाम कुछ good intention से ही रखा है. तो फिर नेम में क्या बैड है? Do one thing. This too originates from Hindi sentence एक काम करो. It generally means to carry out more than one task. Do one thing is used when a set of tasks are being assigned. I got an email once which read, "Do one thing, find out when the board meeting is happening, then compose an email as a meeting invite to be sent to the entire team. Once that is done, make sure you get an accepted response from each member and check to make sure the conference room is free." So, in reality, do one thing means do many things. जब emails की बात कर ही रहे हैं, तो this one is tricky. Revert back. That's what you've been writing in emails, haven't you? When you can say revert, why write revert back? In my earlier days, in a law firm, an exchange lawyer from Belgium came running to me, laughing loudly, and she almost fell on me, saying Ajay is asking me for a rubber. I innocently told her, "So, give it to him." She was quiet for a second and shocked and said, "What? Why should I give him a condom?" Now, that made sense to me. Rubber is a slang in the rest of the world other than India. याद रखना अभी से, इरेजर बोलो, रबर नहीं. And ऑटो करेक्ट्स की तो बात ही कुछ और है. These can be dangerous यार. एक बार I was traveling in the car. I was chatting on my office group. "Hey, remember the thing I was talking about the other day? The thing I couldn't get off my head? Mr. Autocorrect assumed I either was a fashion model or a sexual pervert and promptly changed it to, hey, remember the thong I was talking about the other day and the thong I couldn't get off my head? एक बार my Jain junior was fasting and wrote a WhatsApp message to me that she was feeling weak and hence wouldn't attend office. I was angry as she bunked office often. So, in my anger, I wrote to her, how can you fast for days together? And angrily switched off my WhatsApp to realize Mr. Autocorrect had done his deeds from fast to fart. My grumpy boss called me and I was unable to receive his call. I tried to ring him back, but he was busy then. So I decided to text him in case he had some important work with me. Mr. Autocorrect was on. I typed, sir, just got a miscarriage from you. Call me back. Message sent. Delivered successfully. He almost got a heart attack after reading my message. I got his call within 2 seconds. I apologized and blamed autocorrect for the mistake. I don't think I was this embarrassed ever in my life, as my grumpy boss laughed. I was writing a certain Mr. Mrinal for a sponsorship for a society event. It ended up getting autocorrected to Hello Mr. Urinal. I would like to introduce you to... Needless to say, I never heard back from him. So friends, I'm sure you guys too must have experienced some ticklish English the way I did. Lekin, remember, pronounce the way you want to. Lekin, autocorrect, संभाल के boss. Hasta la vista. फिर मिलेंगे in my next video of Chirpy Tales.